My name is Manuel Perez, and I believe we still have a chance to save our environment.
Since I started my studies as a software engineer, I wondered how software, in addition to science, could create solutions to actual threats we have to face as human beings, like global warming, pollution, and mass extinction of different species. At the present time, my hometown, Jalapa, has started to experiment the effects of air pollution. A decade ago, we could just climb a hill and watch the entire city fading away. Now, we see a completely different landscape.
So, I started thinking, if we can notice a change, what happens with the native flora and fauna? What would happen with one of the most important yet vulnerable species in the world, the bees?
Bees play a crucial role in nature, and in the near cities, it represents the work of many beekeepers.
But nowadays, my state has started to see a drastic decrease of the population, mainly because of the loss of vegetation and the increase of the use of fertilizers and agrochemicals
used on our coffee, orange, and vanilla plantations. Then, how can I, a software engineering student, help to solve a problem that sounds completely outside the IT field? Well, that's another interesting question, and I just found out a great approach to do so.
Artificial intelligence.
Given the current AI boom we're living, scientists and developers from all around the world have gathered to take down most of the global challenges for the next decades. They have suggested different fields where machine learning could be useful, such as reducing our carbon footprint, optimizing the way we generate energy, and predicting deforestation.
Thereby, I had the idea to apply the knowledge I got from different courses I attended to into this issue. So let me introduce you to Plan B.
A platform I started to prototype that takes data from different sources, like water, air pollution reports, government programs for farmers, which supply them with different fertilizers, and the known beekeeping zones. All this to start a study of correlation within areas of heavy air pollution or using fertilizers, and zones with beehives. That way, establish sanctuaries and safe zones to protect them. Most of the data is available for analyzing, but the most important part is a methodology that leads to an accurate model that can predict and create projections for the next generation of bees yet to come, in the hope to see an increase in their local population.
And I said hope, because I believe that in a world constantly threatened by the changes we're living, hope is just the most powerful force. The reason I'm applying for the Seeds for the Future program is because I think of it as a life-changing experience. The chance to meet people from all around the world. People who refuse to stand still when the world needs us most. All this alongside with Huawei, one of the main companies leading the development of the technology for the next decades. Most importantly, leading the area of interest for my future studies and projects, AI, the science of tomorrow. This experience would be a chance to see by first hand how it is applied in real life, the way Huawei does, therefore improving my knowledge in this area, helping me to keep alive the flame for the next generation of Mexican engineers to come.